I would be lying if I said that the cut is easy, that it's going easy. It's 100% not. I've been spamming cardio like a madman. I'm barely using my car. I'm using it now because it's 3 AM and I can't be asked to walk. And yeah, I'm basically doing 30 minutes like each session of like cardio, because at the beginning it was pretty hard for my legs to get used to doing so much cardio. Fuck, that's fine. But yeah, what I've been doing is, well, obviously off camera, because I stop recording every session so I can focus more on my cut. So what I've been doing is cardio in the morning, 30 minutes on the bike, followed up by, depending on the day, but doing some abs and then some calves and forearms, like the daily shit that I normally used to do. Later in the day, like at night, I would be going back to the gym again to do my actual lift, followed up by another 30 minutes of cardio on the bike or walking on the treadmill, like incline, or I'll just walk to the gym, which I actually enjoy the most, because I'm not gonna burn. If I was to compare how much I burn on the bike for 30 minutes and how much I burn walking to the gym and then back, obviously it's, I'd say maybe not double more than walking, but the bike I definitely burn way more than walking. So if I know I can do double cardio in a day, I'll definitely do it. Today I actually really want to try and set a new record of cardio. So obviously I'm gonna go and train shoulders now, probably with some, I don't know, calves and forearms, we'll see. And then 30 minutes on the bike, and then I'm gonna go home because oh shit, don't tell me the gym's closed. I don't see any lights on. Can't be though, can it? It must be open. Oh, it is. Alright. If anything, I actually see two people walking there. What the fuck? Huh. But yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna go and do shoulders with some forearms or calves, 30 minutes on the bike, and then later in the day I'm gonna try and do 2 more sessions of cardio, like 30 minutes each. So that's an hour and a half of cardio today, plus like training, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, cut's not been going too good. Like, I am getting a bit lean, even though it's only been 2 weeks. I've already talked about this, but the first few weeks are the hardest. I'm trying so hard to like do loads of cardio and obviously not eat that much, because I am still having like decent amount of meals, but I'm not having like sweets and shit. Like, I'm mainly eating like meat and eggs basically. But yeah, yeah, that's enough yapping. I'll just go in and I'll see you for the first set. I haven't done shoulder press in a while, so let's see how it feels. Oh, fuck. Oh. One more. I'm gonna do one more, and that'll be it for front delts. I mainly did that because I kind of wanted to see what my strength is like, because I genuinely don't remember the last time I trained front delts or like shoulder press or anything like that. And yeah, let's just say I'm not too happy with the strength. So I'll probably start throwing it in more often. But anyway, one more, and then rear delts. Oh. Alright, for rear delts, I'm gonna go for some reverse lateral raises first, probably like 2 sets, and then I want to do maybe laying face balls or reverse pec deck. We'll see. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh. Right, so I'm gonna go for like 3 on here, because those reverse lateral raises really did fuck up my rear delt, so I don't need to do like another 5 sets on here. I'll just do like 3 heavy to failure, and then we'll move on to side delts. Fuck's sake, I lost count. Fuck. Oh. Shoulders are so easy to train. Like, literally all I'm doing is rear delts, simple. Side delts, it's a bit more fun. You can go a bit heavier with the like normal standing lateral raises or even the machine. But when it comes to shoulders, I'd definitely recommend you stick to like lighter weight and more reps rather than going heavier and potentially getting injured, because shoulders is probably the easiest part of your body to get injured while training. So then I think it goes like shoulders, chest, then I guess probably legs, back and arms. I don't know, but shoulders is definitely the easiest one to get injured. So it's good to warm up. Not that it's not important to warm up on everything else whenever you train. Always warm up, no matter what you're doing. Either if you're going on a run, just doing cardio like biking or like weightlifting, whatever it is, always warm up. But anyways, 2 more in here, actually a bit heavier. Yeah, that'll do. Oh, fuck. Oh. Last one, and then we're going to move on to side delts. Oh. Oh. Just going to go for normal lateral raises. Alright, one more, and then I'm going to switch it up to single arm, laying against the bench, so I can focus on a better squeeze. I think that'll be it, because my shoulders are burning. Oh, jeez. One more. Oh, oh. Alright, that's enough. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna do some calves and then forearms. I'm gonna save it up for later for my second session of cardio, because I'll come back to the gym to do my cardio in there, and I'll do abs and forearms. So now I'm just gonna do, well, just finish my shoulders, and I'll go do calves and then 30 minutes on the bike. Alright, we can have a quick look at my calves. I only did 5 sets, but they actually got like cooked. They're so pumped up right now, and I haven't showed them in ages, so I'm gonna have a quick look before I go on the bike. Not bad. Considering the fact that I've got pretty bad calf genetics, I think they look pretty decent, and that's because I'm literally training them almost every day. So if you're struggling with your calves or your forearms to like grow, I suggest just hit them every day after your workout. It literally takes about 10 minutes max. I did 5 sets, falling into failure, pretty heavy. 10 minutes and I'm done. But yeah, let's just go on the bike, 30 minutes and go home. Whoa. Alright, that was a really good session. Shoulders got destroyed, calves, like I said, I'm not gonna show you calves, forearms and abs anymore, unless I'm having like a, well, on abs anyways, if I'm having like a specific workout where I'm doing like, I don't know, like 3-4 different exercises for abs, then I'll show you. But normally for abs, all I do is, what do you call it, I think it's cable crunches. It's like where you grab the cables, you go on your knees and do this, and that's literally all I do. today I trained for shoulders for 45 minutes, which normally that's quite a lot for me. I don't spend that long doing shoulders, but because right now I've been going on a everyday streak of like training every day, and obviously I'm trying to prioritize cardio. So what I do is cardio in the morning, and then I have my lift later in the day, followed up by one more session of cardio. And yeah, so I've been doing the bro split, literally chest, back, I did chest yesterday, shoulders today, tomorrow's gonna be back. And the thing is, with legs, I'm not being the typical person to skip legs just because I can't be asked to train them. The reason I'm giving them more rest is because, number one, when I do cardio, I use my legs. I don't do any cardio for with my upper body. Like, the only cardio I do is using my legs. It's either treadmill or the bike, and for both I need my legs. Now, I know what you're gonna say. You can do the rowing machine for cardio, but I don't like it, so I don't want to do it. So my legs need extra rest, especially like 3 days ago, I think it was, I did a really heavy leg day, like hamstrings as usual, spamming leg curls, and then 2 sets on the leg extensions just to warm up my knees and quads. And then I did 3 really heavy, well, not really heavy, but decently heavy squats. And the form, in my opinion, it was like at least 95% perfect, because I genuinely didn't feel anything else apart from my quads. I didn't feel my hamstrings, I didn't feel my glutes, so it was perfect. And obviously the following days after, it's been pretty hard to do the bike, so I've been sticking to like walking and treadmill, so I can let my quads recover. And now I'm just doing the bike. So what I've been doing is, so I follow my split, like the bro split, 1 muscle group each day, and then I hit legs, and then I repeat chest, shoulders, back, and then I don't do legs. I skip the legs. I'm gonna call it a rest day, but it's not exactly a rest day for me, because I'm still doing my double cardio and I'm doing abs. So for me, that is like rest day, because I'm not allowing myself to have like full on like rest days without cardio, without training. So yeah, but I will at some point, whenever I feel like my body is way too tired, then yes, I will take a day off. But yeah, so what we got later for today is abs and probably forearms, and obviously another 30 minutes on the bike session at least, if not 2, but we'll see how I'm feeling. So yeah, I'll definitely see you later.
Gorgeous singletons are about to test the very limits of all will be revealed.
Oi.